Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to comment in a TikTok video. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Now find the video on which you want to comment. Tap on the comment button below the heart symbol. Here at the bottom you can leave a comment. Tap here to write anything. Now tap on the send button. That's it. You can see your comment is added to the video. In this way you can make a comment in TikTok video very easily. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.